Wait, crap, our physics project is due tomorrow and we haven't even started yet.
Shoot, I don't know enough about physics to do this project.
Neither do I, but I think I might know someone who does know their physics pretty well. Yeah, guys, I'm not seeing Bill Nye anywhere on here. I don't know what to do. The project's still due tomorrow. What are we going to watch? How are we going to learn anything?
Wait, scroll down. I think I see something. Do that.
Oh, yeah, what is that? Yeah, let's try this one.
Bill Nye the Science Guy?
No, I'm Aids Plen, the Science Man!
Aids Plen, the Science Man! AIDS Plen, the Science Man! Newton invented gravity after an apple fell on his head. From there, he discovered the gravitational constant is 9.81 meters per second squared, which basically means if I drop anything, it'll take 9.81 seconds to touch the ground.
Hold up. Was that really 9.81 seconds?
It can't be because it's the acceleration that is constant, not the time it takes.
No, but he's the science man. He has to be right. If he didn't know what he was talking about, he wouldn't be on TV.
Boy, have I got a treat for you guys today. We're gonna next learn about friction, which is basically the force between every object and is the reason why things stick to the ground no matter what. It's also the reason why I, someone who never learned how to ride a bike, can pick one up right now and be okay.
I have several questions.
Isn't friction generated by the normal force multiplied by mu? It doesn't make things stick to the ground.
Like, friction slows stuff down. It doesn't just make it stick.
Today we're gonna be learning about Newton's second law of gravity, which he patented back in 1999. It basically states F equals ma. Now I know what you're thinking. What does that mean? Well, we know that forces are constant and we know that acceleration is constant, so he proved that masses are constant, which is why I can lift this shoe as easily as I can lift this piano. It's on the hips. Well, you see, the reason this piano isn't lifting is because the force of friction is stronger here, so it's sticking to the ground. But don't worry, he still proved it right.
Dang, he really should have been hitting the gym more, am I right?
Yeah, F equals ma doesn't mean that the force is constant. It just means that the force changes based on the mass and the acceleration of the object.
Like, it means you have to apply more force to get the same acceleration if an object is more massive. Doesn't mean that any of that is just constant.
Hey!
Our next lesson is about work. Now basically, work is the amount of effort you put in things. So I'm gonna go push this wall. Right now, I'm doing a lot of work. Whew. And remember, if you ain't sweating, you ain't working.
I take it back. Do you see all that work he's putting in? Must be hitting the gym all the time.
This man's a fool. That's not what work is.
Hey, work is force times displacement. The wall's not moving. There was no work.
AIDS!
I am spinning. The world is spinning. Everything's spinning. This is all centrifugal force, which is at the core of every type of force in the galaxy. Woo!
Finally, something scientifically accurate. He does know what he's talking about.
But that's not how rotational motion works. Rotational motion has a tangential component and a centripetal component.
Bruh, my head is spinning too right now.
Oh hi, didn't see you there. You know the old saying, when life gives you lemons, do a demonstration about momentum. Basically, momentum is always conserved, so I can drop this lemon and it'll come right back to my hand. See?
That's not how momentum works. When you drop the lemon, the momentum is transferred to the floor. It's not just gonna bounce back up.
You saw he got the lemon back at the end, though. I honestly think he's probably a better magician than he's a science teacher.
Our next lesson is on oscillations. Now the only thing you need to know is that mass is the only thing that affects the period of an oscillation. Currently, I have two pendulums. One has somebody's car keys that I stole.
The other, perfectly harmless pair of scissors. As I start oscillating them, you can see that the car keys move a lot faster because centrifugal force acts on it more.
Guys, I can't find my car keys anywhere.
Hey, Justin, shut up. We need to talk about something actually important.
Yeah, that formula is completely wrong because mass has nothing to do with period. It's only length.
It's just 2 pi root L over G. Mass isn't anywhere in that.
Welcome to the last lesson of today on astrophysics. You may know that the Earth attracts us with a certain gravitational force, but you may not know that we attract the Earth with that same gravitational force. Let these 2 candles represent the spherical Earth and the spherical Moon. Between them is a force of gravity according to this equation. Now, as the radius between these 2 objects increases, the force of gravity between them decreases exponentially because radius is on the denominator.
You guys heard him say spherical Earth, right? Even I can tell that's wrong. Everyone knows the Earth is
Yeah,
flat.
flat Earth all the way.
Yeah, flat Earth. Woo!
Woo.
Hey,
Hi guys, turns out they found out about that little car key snafu, so I'm going to jail right now, but I'll see you tomorrow for the next episode.
No, you won't. This is Grand Theft Auto, kid.
What do you mean?
wow, guys, that was a complete waste of time. After that, I still don't know any physics.
Yeah. Whoa, Caleb, when did you get here?
I mean, I gotta get on this project, you know. I don't have any ideas on my own.
Well, you know, that's Caleb.
Our next lesson is about work.
Moment, can I start talking again yet?
Oh my god, Sam.
Guys, I can't find my car keys.
Nah, I don't think he stole it.